So I would like to explain about the answer of the question number 4, and then this is the question. So the first thing that we have to do is, as usual, we have to define the known data into the table like this. And I already wrote it. H0 is where the medians of exam score are not equal, and H1 is where the medians of exam score are equal. So the alpha, we asked to use it with the 5% level of significance, so alpha is 0.05 and n is the amount of the overall data. So to calculate the data, first we have to rank the data from the smallest to the biggest one. After we rank it, we divide it into 3 like this, based on the data, method 1, method 2, and method 3, and then we can get the result of R. So R1 is the sum of the amount of the rank. So R1 is 90, R2 is 40 from the sum of these, and R3 is 80 from the sum of these. And N is get from the, because method 1 use 6 data, so N1 is 6, method 2 use 8 data, so N2 is 8, and method 3 use 6 data, so N3 is 6. After that, we have to calculate the H. So H is defined by this formula, and to make it simple, I already wrote it here. So like, to put it simply, H is these times these, the total of these, and minus these. So we get the result of H is 11.76. After that, we have to define the critical area and criteria test. So N is 20, K is 3 because there are 3 methods, and then after that, V is 2 because K minus 1, and then we can define the X square 0.05 comma 2 from this table. So we get the result 5.991, and if the result of H is bigger than 5.991, then we have to reject H0, and if the result is less than 5.991, we have to accept H0. So because the H result is 11.76, that means that we have to reject H0, so the medians of exam score are not equal. So that's it for question number 4, and that's all from me to answer all of these questions, all of these final exam questions. I'm sorry if I make a mistake. So assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.